That time of the year again. It's summer, and right behind me is Sania Muscatia's Luxury Unstitched 2025. A whole mix of colors, 16 designs in 2 different colorways, and there are a lot of details that I'll be sharing with you. Here's what's on trend for Sania Muscatia Unstitched this year. I'm here with Sania Muscatia and we are discussing this year's summer unstitched collection. Last year bhi ki thi. Sania, how are you?
I'm well.
Are you ready for yet another discussion?
Yes.
I'm going to throw a lot of questions your way क्योंकि I think आपकी unstitched हम सबको बहुत पसंद है, तो हमारे उसके बारे में बहुत से सवाल हैं. We're both wearing unstitched 2025 by the way. Mine is such a light, cool pink with a really pretty chiffon dupatta. And Sania, I love this purple green. It's
Thank you.
Trend.
Yes.
Which one's your favorite?
Honestly, I love all of them.
Will you be wearing all of them this summer?
No, I'd be lucky if I got like 4 or something.
ऐसे ये perk है. You know, when you design clothes, you get to wear your own stuff.
Yes.
It is a perk for you and your family, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yeah. अच्छा, लेकिन मैं इस बार जब आपकी unstitched collection देखते हैं, I was thinking that this is particularly a busy time. This time, summer lawn or unstitched season, शादी season, रमज़ान, ईद, सब एक साथ आ रहे हैं. फिर भी आप करते हैं unstitched every year. Why do you do it? It's a lot of work, I'm sure.
Honestly, my team and I, we love doing lawn unstitched. It's a passion project almost. Like we look forward to it all year. We research it. There's a lot of R&D. It's really exciting. We like to translate all our luxury pret designs, our formal designs, everything that we do for Sania Muscatia into unstitched. We sort of translate it. It's a little bit of a challenge, but it's actually really it's exciting and interesting for the whole team. We try to, in our unstitched collection, you'll see motifs, patterns, designs, which you will see in our collections throughout the year. And we translate it in a manner that can be worn in unstitched. The dupattas will have like our quirky elements or our signature designs, but they're hidden. We have like clouds this time, we have pineapples, but everything's really super pretty and elegant. So it's actually really fun, and we've gotten such a great response with the unstitched over the years that I guess that motivates us to do this each year, even when the seasons have all sort of now crammed together with winter festive and Eid and everything's sort of ek saath aa raha hai, but we want to do this. It's fun.
It's fun, yes. And ये मेरा सवाल था. You were talking about innovations. अब ये है कि हर साल अनस्टिच कलेक्शन ऐसी निकालना जो पिछले साल से फ़र्क हो, ताकि जिसने अनस्टिच पिछले साल खरीदा है उसे इस बार कुछ नया मिले, right? What are some of the new things this time?
We've tried to innovate with our embroideries, with our patterns. Like for example, you'll see different sort of florals this year, different sort of flowers. We've done applique, play of color, just our designs and our dupattas. We want it to be different. We don't want it to look like stale last year or the year before that. It's not exciting. Like I said, it's very challenging for the entire team, and I think they thrive on that. Like it's very exciting for everyone to try to come up with new stuff in a different way.
What about colors? क्या नए colors भी सोचने पड़ते हैं कि पिछली बार जैसा yellow ना हो? A new spin to yellow, new spin to green.
Absolutely, yes. We really.
A lot of pressure.
It's also really enjoyable. We really think about the color palette. We try to see color forecasts and trends from internationally, and then we try to see what our client, our customer wants, and what will
response जो पिछले साल आया है, अच्छा, उसको देखते हैं?
Yes, absolutely.
यानी जो पिछले साल popular हुआ होगा. So this is, for instance, Ari inspired embroidery. So when you see customers liking this more, तो आप उसको एक नया spin अगले साल देंगे?
Yes.
Something like that?
For sure.
For sure.
But in a new way.
अच्छा, and also I see कि you're not still quirky. Like you said, na clouds हैं, floral patterns नए तरह के हैं, pineapples हैं,
shells and just stuff which
hearts हैं.
yes. So you know the team, we all design with a lot of love. It can see in the designs, like it's so they will put their elements in it. Like we won't hold back, but we will make it pretty, or we'll conceal it in such a way that that element's not going to completely stand out. On the whole, it look really nice and pleasing to the eye, but there won't be just one motif where your eye is going to.
हाँ, एक mix होगा.
Yes.
एक mix होगा जिससे वो unique लगेगा. Right. Okay. This time I'm also seeing a lot of big standout galas.
Yes.
You know I love that. That's very pretty.
Yeah, we wanted to introduce that. We thought that was like just different and fun, and we really wanted to like do that for this collection.
सानिया, क्या कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं लॉन डिज़ाइन करते हुए, कुछ क्या फैक्टर्स को देखा जाता है in particular?
Absolutely. The most importantly for us, I don't want to wear lawn with a chemise. It's so hot. The whole idea of unstitched fabric is the breathability. It's really hot and humid. It's summer wear, right? So we try to make our lawn, like we weave it in such a way that it's not completely sheer, and you can sort of get by without wearing a slip. We really work on the textures and the hand feel. Okay, for us that's super important. So the best quality chiffon, silks, what we use in our formal wear, our luxe spread wear, that same, you're essentially getting the exact same fabric.
Achha.
Our embroideries have to be on par. The hand feel has to be really soft and beautiful. It should just not look good while you're wearing it. It should actually feel really good. It's all about feeling good, right? Like you wear an outfit to feel good, right?
Or by the way, Sania Maskatia lawn खराब नहीं होती. मेरी तो बहुत लंबी होती है.
It's luxe lawn.
It's the quality.
Yeah, we really try to do good quality. We try our best. We really focus on that.
Thank you, Sania, and I think it's a really pretty collection. I do understand कि innovation बहुत है वाकई जब आप details में zoom in करते हैं. You see a lot of new things blended in with the Sania Maskatia signature.
Yeah.
एक signature है वो आपका है वो नज़र आता है, पर साथ साथ innovations होती हैं. So I think that's fun. That's what makes it fun.
Honestly, this is our, I think I'm going to speak on behalf of my team. This is our most favorite collection to do throughout the year. It's the most challenging also, we feel, but it's we love it. And it's been really enjoyable because also we work on it for many months, you know, like almost the whole year. And we make a bunch of designs and then we limit it to 16 designs in 2 colorways. And it's a very personal process for everyone, I feel, because everyone's really attached to the designs and you think about it and you mull over it and then you're like, okay, you know what, that's not working, let's change it. It's a lot of back and forth for many months. So it's also very sentimental, I feel, for everyone.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you for being here.